Hello students, this is Sujatag coming with class 10 NCERT SSC Maths with Sujata ji. Let us study about the similar triangles students. Now here there are the two triangles ABC and triangle DEF. Here if you observe carefully these two triangles students, then angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, angle C is congruent to angle F. So now here three angles are congruent to each other. And what about their sides, corresponding sides, that AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF. Then we can say that these two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So how can we express these two triangles are similar to each other, students? So we have to write triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. This side is known as the similar side. See the test of similarity of triangle, students. So for the similarity of two triangles, there are the necessary conditions are that their corresponding sides are in the same proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent, students. But here corresponding sides are in same proportion means the three proportions are there, and as well as their corresponding angles means three angles are there. So the six constituent are totally there are the six constituent may be the congruent to each other. But here not necessary that out of these conditions, when three specific conditions are fulfilled, it's the remaining conditions are automatically will be fulfilled. So this means that similarity of two triangles, only three specific conditions are sufficient. Okay student, only three conditions are sufficient. Now here similarity of two triangles can be confirmed by testing these three conditions. So the groups of such sufficient conditions are called as the test of similarity, students. So there are the four tests for similarity of triangle. First is AAA test for similarity of triangle. Second one is AA test for similarity of triangles. Third one SAS test of similarity of triangle. And the fourth one, that is the SSS test for similarity of triangles. So these are known as the test of similarity, students. See, let us see the students AAA test for similarity of triangles. For a given correspondence of vertices, when corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then the two triangles are similar here. So see here students, these are the figure of the triangle ABC and the triangle PQ1. Here we can observe that there is a correspondence. If you consider the correspondence ABC to PQR in their vertices, then we can say angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. Okay student, so here we write here, and if now here three corresponding angles are congruent to each other, then we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, and that is the by AAA test these two triangles are congruent to similar to each other, students. Okay. Then the second one, students, that second one is AA test for similarity of triangles. So for a given correspondence of vertices, when two angles of a triangles are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then remaining angle of first triangle is congruent to the remaining angle of the second triangle. So what is the meaning of this sentence? That is, when two angles of one triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then this condition is sufficient for similarity of two triangles, and this condition is called as AA test of similarity. Okay students, now the third condition, that is the SAS test of similarity of triangles. So what this statement, what this similar test of similarity of triangles says that, this test says that for a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding sides are in the same proportion and the angles between them are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. Okay student? So see, there are the two triangles, triangle KLM and triangle RST. So here we can say KL upon RS is equal to 1 upon 1.5. Okay students? So here the ratio of sides ratio, that is a KL upon RS is equal to 1 upon 1.5, and then the angle L is congruent angle S. Okay, and then the third point, that is the Lm upon St is equal to 2 upon 3, and which is nothing but 1 upon 1.5. 1 upon 1.5. So there are the three constituents are congruent. So here we say triangle KLM similar to triangle RST, and by the SAS test. Okay, by this test. Now next one students, that is the fourth one test, that SS test for similarity of triangles. So this test says that for a given corresponding of vertices of two triangles, when three sides of a triangle are in proportion to corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Okay, so for this purpose we draw the two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. Okay, so their sides proportion, that is PQ upon YZ is equal to QR upon XY is equal to PR upon XZ. Then we can say that triangle PQR similar to triangle ZYX students. Okay students, so this way we can find out the test of similarity. Now here the property of similar triangles. Which are the property of the similar triangles? There are the three properties. There are the three properties of similar triangle: reflexivity, symmetry and the transitivity. Okay, let us see the first property, reflexivity. Every triangle is similar to itself. That means, for example, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. Now second one, that is the symmetry. When first triangle is similar to the second triangle, then we can say second triangle is similar to the first triangle. For example, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then we can say triangle DEF is also similar to triangle ABC. Okay, and the next one, that is the transitivity property. When first triangle is similar to the second triangle is similar to the third triangle, then we can say the first triangle is similar to the third triangle students. So it is called as the transitivity property. Now let us see the example of this property, that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI, then we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle GHI. Students, thank you for watching our videos. Achieve your success with us. I am sure that you will get 100% success in maths. So watch our videos continuously, regularly, like our videos, share our videos to your friends.